Hey friends, if you encounter the issue no internet connection, please check your internet connection and try again. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, check the internet connection. Okay, is it connected? And also check the airplane mode. So click on this one. If airplane mode is checked, then nothing will work. So if it's unchecked, then you will be able to connect to the internet. The next solution is to power cycle the modem and router and computer. So switch off the modem router combination. These days they come in a combination, and the computer, both the devices. Now switch on the router only and wait till you get all the lights there, and then switch on the computer. The last one is a network reset. So here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click on Reset now and finally click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.